We're in Lancashire in the northwest of England, which is about 50 miles or an hour's drive from Manchester. Today we're going to be exploring this £600,000 4-bedroom detached home close to 1,700 square feet. However, you don't need £600,000 to get this home, you'll only need a fraction of that. The exterior of the property is a really nice mix between contemporary and classic. There's nothing too flashy, just timeless proportions that will age really well. We've got a block paved driveway, plenty of off-road parking too, and also a garage with remote controlled access. But I'm so excited to go and have a look inside. Follow me and let's check it out. Welcome into your entrance hall. Now this is so spacious, bright and airy, and a really lovely welcome home. So that you can get a better understanding of the layout, we have a downstairs toilet just here on my right, also the staircase on the right as well in front of me, and then on the left it flows in to your open plan areas, and I can't wait to see the kitchen. So let's go and have an explore. Now this is where the home really comes into its own, and it's really interesting for us to see how developers do things differently. This one, they've gone for open plan, but some developers like to completely separate different rooms, and that is exactly what we love doing here at the New Build Show, exploring all the different options and sharing them with you all. So if you do have a development that you'd like more people to know about, get in touch with us on hello@thenewbuildshow and we could be touring your development next. But first of all, let's start in the kitchen because this is gorgeous. The kitchen itself is by Olmo, who are known for their German engineered quality, and I am very impressed with this kitchen. So we have quartz worktops, which flows seamlessly all the way onto that other side. So that is a lot of prep space without breaking the clean lines of the kitchen. Now, appliances wise, they've gone top spec. So just behind me here, we have got Siemens integrated appliances. And what's really great is these are at the perfect level. So making everyday life easier, you don't have to bend down to reach the oven. They're right there. Storage in here is definitely not going to be an issue. I have had a little look. Just down here, all the way on this side of the island, storage options. Also to my left here as well, some great storage options. Now, I mentioned how sleek this kitchen looks. One thing I really love is how, as I mentioned, everything is integrated. So your dishwasher is just here. And one of my favorite things, this is a weird thing to be my favorite thing, but it's the bin storage, because these can just look so messy. Obviously, you don't want your bins out on display. Look at that, they're all hidden away in there. And then we also have more storage options. I mean, you could put your cleaning things in there underneath the sink. Now, the sink itself actually has a cooker tap, and this is one of the flex taps. So it has the extendable hose here, again, just making everyday life so much easier. Over on this side of the island, you have your induction hob, which just makes it even more sociable, so you can be talking to your guests while they're sat there. Some lovely pendant lighting above the island too. But another very practical thing they've added in here is these pop-up power points. So again, nothing here is just for show, everything has its purpose. Just off the kitchen is your utility room, which is pretty much an extension of your kitchen. It means you have extra storage options, somewhere to do your laundry. You could have a washer and dryer just there. And you do have access outside. So if you're coming in from a muddy dog walk, this is going to be very handy. Following on from the kitchen, you have this extra space here, which I mean is very, very spacious. You have room for this nice dining table here, which is a great option if you are having a more formal dinner, you've got some friends and family coming over, rather than the island. Now, I haven't mentioned yet, on the flooring, they have gone for this herringbone floor, and it's actually underfloor heated throughout the entire ground floor, which I definitely noticed when I walked in this morning. Just behind me, they've added a seating area here, which looks gorgeous and is positioned really nicely because you've got the nice natural light coming in. Glass of wine here in the evening would be gorgeous. However, I was also thinking a media wall there would look really lovely, and it means you can interact with the family but still be watching your favourite TV programme. For those of you who like indoor-outdoor living, we also have these bifold doors which lead out to your garden. So follow me and let's go and have a look. The garden has been fully landscaped, so there's actually nothing left to do. And what's really nice is it feels very private out here. We have a couple of different sections. So here you've got the porcelain patio. Then you've got a turf lawn and a pergola just behind me, which I think a hot tub in there would be fantastic. Also, what's really handy is the access you have there. So you've actually got a door. So when you've got guests coming over, if you're throwing a bit of a summer party, people can just come in and out of there. And also you have access to your utility room. So if you've come in from a muddy dog walk, you can head straight in there and keep the kitchen nice and tidy. Back inside now, straight ahead of me is the more formal lounge. So let's go and have a look. In here, it feels like a real retreat. It's actually so nice to have those doors. So this is a more separate zone and you can shut off from the rest of the family and put your favourite film on. Now also, I haven't mentioned this yet, everything does come included with this house, and sitting here now, I actually can't believe the price that you could get it for, but I will share more details later on. Now in here, we also have a feature fireplace, which is actually a log burner, so perfect for the cosy winter nights, and loads of beautiful natural light coming in from the windows. Finishing up now on the ground floor, let's go and have a look at the 4 bedrooms. Welcome upstairs, and what an expansive landing this is. I mean, look at those for a vaulted ceiling. That's pretty incredible. Feels so spacious up here. And we also have that skylight above me, which just floods this whole area with natural light all throughout the day. You notice we've also switched to carpet up here for more of a cozier feel, and there's 4 bedrooms to explore, but the family bathroom is just opposite me, so let's go check it out. Now this is a very, very fancy family bathroom. The tiling on the floor actually goes all the way up onto the walls, so it just gives that real premium feel. And in here you've got your walk-in rainfall shower, your bathtub, your toilet, and also your vanity section here. But one of my favourite features is that the mirror has this feature where you can just wave to turn the light on. Just to the right of me now, there are 2 guest bedrooms, so let's go and have a look. The first guest bedroom features a very calming colour palette, and what's really great about all of these rooms up here is they all benefit from that incredible vaulted ceiling, so it makes them feel so much bigger than they are. Now in here you've got a double bed. Each bedroom up here also has lots of natural light coming in because they've got those big windows, and just behind me you have a desk area too. Just opposite is another guest double room, again pretty good size, and has a desk just like the other one did. However, I was thinking there isn't actually any storage in these rooms as of yet, and for someone like me who has a lot of clothes, I would definitely be going for some built-in storage in this section of the room, and once you find out how much you could get this home for, I'm sure you wouldn't mind doing that. 2 more bedrooms to show you up here, so let's go and have a look. This next room is incredibly versatile, so it could easily work as another double room. However, at the minute they've got it set up on this half as a bit of a snug, so good to come here for some peace and quiet. And then on the other side they've added a yoga mat and some weights, so it could also work really well as a home gym. But plenty of options. Let us know in the comments what you would do with the space. As usual, I have saved my favourite bedroom until last, so this is your principal suite. Now, it feels immediately bigger in here, and again, benefits from the vaulted ceilings, but they've done really great with the lighting in here too. So we've got these nice pendants either side of the bed, but also the LED strips that go across too just makes it feel more luxury in here. Now this fits a king size bed and also comes with its own ensuite, and there's a very cool feature in there that I'm excited to show you. This ensuite also feels like a spa. Again, to add to the premium feel, the tiling runs all the way from the floor up onto the walls. Now in here, a little bit different, they've gone for a double his and hers basin, so again, more premium, and there's even storage underneath here too. Now the cool feature I was talking about was this electric toothbrush charger here, which is just built-in integrated, so you don't have to worry about messing around with your wires. I just thought that was so cool, and I've never seen that before. Over here we also have a walk-in shower, and they've opted for a different tile in this one. Now again, in here we have got the very cool light feature on the mirror. Okay, that brings us to the end of today's tour. Now, I know I've mentioned throughout that you could have the chance to get this home for a lot less than what it's worth. That is because it's part of a competition with 7 days performance, meaning you could win it for just £1.99. So if you'd like to give it a go and enter, all of the information will be in the description box below. So good luck, and we will see you in the next tour. Hello New Build Show, I'm Millie, and today we are exploring Stonewood's latest development, the Old Timber Yard here in Wiltshire.